Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to learn about the draft analysis. We're going to check how to use a draft analysis in BIW parts for the BIW parts. So for this we're going to use three parts which we have already created in our remastering videos. So the first one is this, the simple one, then second and the third one. So we're going to check whether these parts are able to uh, manufacture or not by stamping or drawing method. So that's why we need to provide a mentoring direction for these parts. So we will look one by one. For this, uh, for the draft analysis method, we use three methods. The first one, the simple XYZ direction. So we're going to create one line in XYZ. Okay, that one is first, and the second one is with reference surface. So we're going to create by selecting the reference surface like this one on top. We're going to use a normal uh, line. We create a normal line to this surface. So that's one, the second, and the third one is trial and error method. So we're going to look all this. Okay, so let's create one geometric set first. Okay, in this method it is easy. You can able to see if I create one line in z direction. So uh, by creating z line in z, it will clear the whole surfaces. Okay, let's create point first. So this is my point, and then line. I selected the line. Now point direction, I'm going to choose the direction is z. Okay, the length is 250 250. Okay, then insert. Now I require what I want analysis, so that's why I'm going to insert. Here is one tab which is analysis, and there features, drafts and analysis. So click on this. So here is one pop-up, wrong view mode, put materials option active inside customize view to see analysis result. Okay, so what they required. So here you will to see, here is one material mode, shading with edges right now. So we have to choose the material one, this one, shading with material, or there is one another option, you have to customize your view parameters. So just click on this. So here another view mode pop-up is open. So here you are able to see in shading, you are able to see this is now grounded. You have to just shift to material and then click OK. So we can use by two methods. The first one is here by just clicking on here, or you can set a priorities over here by material. So I just click over here and selected the material. Okay, for the BIW we use minimum draft angle is 3 degree. Okay, this is the minimum one. The ideal draft value is 6. That's why we try to keep this from this to this. The angle is 6 degree. So let's do it again. I just click cancel here, features draft analysis. Okay, click provide the degree is 3. Now just drag the axis system on the line and select this. Again drag down and drop it on the same line and then click here and just reverse the top direction. It is too much highlighted, so I'm going to write it down. So yes, so you're able to see by using directly XYZ you are able to create a MTD for this part. Okay, so this one is the first method. Okay, now I'm going to click OK. I hope you understood this. Now the second one. The second one is what? By using normal to surface. So here just you have to click on the line. Okay, now what you want? Normal to surface. So click on this. Okay, for the surface you need to create extract, because if I selected this surface the whole part is got selected. That's why I'm going to right click over here. Now create one extract here. Just click the top surface of that. So it is tangent continuity. That's why I'm going to remove the tangent continuity. The propagation type is no propagation. Just click over OK. and select the point and click OK again. So this is how the same line is created. So by using the next operation, draft analysis, okay, the angle is 3 degree. Same we going to use, drop it here, select again, drop it down again. Okay, select here. We will do again, or we will delete this one first and then analysis, feature data analysis, drop it here, lock it down. Yes, done. So you are able to see this is the second one. This for because this one is simplest part. Okay, now we going to change our part and let's see what will happen. For this I'm going to delete the lines for your references. So and the analysis also deleted. Okay, now the second part is this. Okay, let's check the first method, the first one which we have created, suggested. The first one is with drafts within XYZ direction. So you are able to see if I select, for if I want to create an MTD for this. So again the line is Z, so that's why I'm going to create simple line first. The direction is Z, so that's why I created the line in Z. Now again insert, analysis, features and data analysis, drag, top on the edge, lock, and just reverse it. So able to see here one is this face is red and this face is also red and this face is green. So this face is actually clearing this line, but for this now we need to shift our line in both direction. So let's we check the first how much difference is there. So here is one analysis under the running point. By this you are able to see how much the this face is in negative. Okay, if I select over here, so you're able to see here the 2 degree draft is already provided there, so we need to increase, because how much we required 3 degree, so at least 3 degree here we require, so we need to use by 1 degree. Okay, so let's check here also. Here also same, the 2 degree draft is provided, so we need to increase by 1 degree. So how will we increase this? So let's check. I'm going to hide this. Okay, first double click on your access system. So we have double click on this. So here you're able to see VYWZUX, that's already provided here. So we're going to check here how much we need to increase. 1, here is also 1, and here is also 1. So this is completely trial and error method. We need to rotate our access system and need to check whether it is getting clear our parts or not. So I'm going to, so blue means it's negative, so we need to move it again backward direction, 1, 2. So you are able to see this face is cleared now. Now what we want to, we want V, so we need to shift again V. So I'm going to first the right one, 1, 2. So it's blue, so need to again down, 1, 2. Now we have to move in opposite direction by 1 and 2, 1, 2. So this face is again green, so that this is our ideal tooling direction. Now we have to right click on access system, lock the current orientation, then again close. Now we don't require this, so we're going to drag it down to the original. Okay, now what we want, we have to create one another line, because we haven't created the tooling line. So again go to the line, select the line. Okay, select the point. Now direction, at that direction right click and select the compass direction. So able to see the one another line is created. Now click OK. Now go to the compass again, right click over here and unlock the current orientation. For this, line 5 is not required, so I'm going to delete, and then again we're going to reperform the draft analysis method. So we're going to find whether this tooling line is correct or not. So let's go to the insert again, select the analysis, go to the feature drafts analysis. Okay, drag the access stream, drop it on the line. Okay, lock the mode and click over here. So you are able to see the line is perfectly created by using trial and error method, and our part is also cleared by this tooling line. Okay, now click OK and provide this line name will be a MTD, main tooling direction. Okay, so I hope you understand for this part. Let's see another one example. So the all doubt will get clear. So that's why I'm going to delete this MTD again. Okay, we don't require, and delete the analysis also. So the final part is this. Okay, let's create now in Z again, direction Z, because if I want to create this part by using stamping, so this is my ideal direction. But from this I able to see this face is I think in 0 0. So let's check with analysis first, so you will able to clear your all doubts. So here again the degree is 3, so all is clear. Now going to use access stream, drop it on the line. Oh, not dropped, again do it. Okay, now lock the direction, click over here, reverse the direction. Yes, you are able to see this face. I got this face is going to be 0 because I check in our visually. So let's check how much by how much degree we have to move. So this face will be going to clear in draft analysis. So that's why I'm going to use again analysis under the running point. Click over here and check how much we require. So here is again 2° inverse. You are able to see we need to increase this. So let's check. I'm going to close this. Okay, again go to the analysis, tap analysis, drag it down, lock, double click on the access system. Now again 1 1. For this now I'm going to use V. So I know this need to be we need to shift this line in like this, so this face will be get clear in analysis. So that's why V, click it down, just reverse, so it will be get. Okay, next 1 2 3 4. So this is how I have changed. Now lock the direction, lock current orientation, close, close. Now again create one line, select the line, select the point, select the direction will be our compass direction, click OK, hide the line 7. Now line 8 is our MTD, properties, rename MTD. Okay, let's do it again. The data analysis, insert analysis, features draft analysis, degrees 3, going to drag, drop it on the line. Okay, lock the access system orientation, click it over here, reverse. So this part is also done. I hope you understand uh, how to check whether our part is get clear or not in our draft analysis. So this is how draft analysis is done for the BIW parts. I hope you like this understand this video. So thank you.